Hi there, here's a quick Pilates Overball workout just to tone up your abdominals. So we're going to work lower, middle and upper abs and our obliques. We're going to squeeze the ball just in the inside of your knees. Start with the hands out in front of you, and first of all we're just going to round through the lower back and lengthening up. So exhale as you scoop and inhale as you lengthen. You want to really squeeze that ball so you activate those inner thighs. By doing that is going to help activate your deep abdominals, your transverse abdominis. 2 more here. Last one. Now from here we're going to roll back. We're going to go back about 1/3 of the way. Lengthen up. Reach to the sky so your biceps are by your ears. Hands go out the front. Rounding, rolling back. So we're just kind of going not quite to the top of the pelvis and then lengthening up. Scooping back. Inhale, pause. Exhale, coming up. Inhale, reach. Two more. Last one. Now we're going to roll back about 2/3 of the way. Draw those abdominals in and reaching up nice and tall. Scoop and roll back. Inhale, pause. Exhale, coming up. Inhale, reach. Going back. Very busy river behind me. One more here. Now we're going to go all the way down to the tip of the shoulder blades and all the way up. We're just going to do a 2-part breath now. So inhale, we're going to go back. Really anchor those feet, draw those abdominals in as you exhale and reach tall. Two more. Last one. Good work. We're going to shift the hands to the side. We're going to go down the one side, so working obliques now and coming up. Inhale down, exhale up. Really anchor those feet. If you can't go all the way down to the tip of the shoulder blades, just go to the point where you feel like you've got to work a little bit to get back up. Rolling down and up. 2 more. Last one. Shift to the other side, down, coming back up, keeping that pelvis anchored. You're in that rotation, grounding those feet. Good work. I know you're feeling it. 4 more here. Oh, look at that boat. It's a bit different. 2 more. Last one. From here we're going to put the ball just in between your ankle bones. Lay yourself down. We're going to take the legs to what we call a chair position, so not straight up and not 90. It's kind of in between. Actively squeezing those heel or ankle bones into the ball. We're just going to do like little pelvic tilts. So working those lower abdominals now. Try and think about sending your toes to the ceiling or to the sky. 4 more here. 3, 2. Hold it up there. We're just going to shake, swing those hips. 3, 2, 1. Good work. Take the ball out. I know you felt those. We're going to take our arms overhead. If you can, roll up. If you can't roll up, just get yourself up somehow. We're going to inhale, we're going to lift. Exhale, rolling up. Bend the legs. Now we're going to put the ball around your crop top line or your bra line, your T6 vertebra. You can make an adjustment by moving forward or back just to find the comfortable spot for you on the ball. This is your chest lift here, so we're going to take your head into hands, hands into head. You've got that neutral pelvis. Take yourself over the ball. And then we've got a slight little chin tuck. Draw the belly in as you lift up. Going over. Exhale, we're going to draw those abdominals in. So pull your belly away from your singlet and coming up. Inhale over. Exhale up. Give you a beautiful thoracic stretch. Three more. Elbows are in your peripheral vision. And 2. Last one. This time as we lift, we're going to lift up, then we're going to rotate and we're going to reach. Hands go behind the head as you rotate back, go back down. We're going to do the same side for 8. And reach. And 7. And 6. And 5. Keep it going. And 2, make sure you're reaching to the outside of your knee. Good, you've got one more. Then we're going to go to the other side and reach. And reach. Keep that pelvis nice and stable. Really draw those abs in. Two more. Good, then we're just going to come up. We're just going to do little pulses here. Good, and then take yourself down over the ball. Lengthen the legs, lengthen the arms. Get that beautiful stretch. Long deep breaths here, reaching out through the fingertips. Feels amazing. And then coming up. There you go. Quick little ab routine.